Here's a test of the Reneka Viva one group espresso machine. I'll put that in there. I have the coffee already grinded, and we'll press 1 cup of espresso and let it go. Here's the water for your Americano, and here's your ooh, that's hot. Your milk steamer, frother. And let's turn it on. We'll show you through that process here in a second. I think that's enough for that brew. So you can see there some espresso there. So if you wanted to make an Americano, you would add some water, or of course use this thing, which very hot steam. So there's some dials that you can see where the boiler is, on-off switch here, and you have the lines here that you'll be able to get water from, and then the return valve for the in case any water backflows into the sink. And this is the profile of the Reneka. To and from lines, valves. Very good shape.